Why are some prosthetic limbs still so heavy and bulky? Imagine walking with a prosthetic limb that feels like carrying a small weightlifting bar. It might seem surprising, but many prosthetic limbs are still quite heavy and bulky. Let's find out why. Prosthetic limbs are built to replace missing body parts and help people move naturally. But they need to be strong enough to support the body and handle daily activities like walking or running. To do this, engineers often use materials like metals such as aluminum or steel. These metals are tough and durable, which is great for safety, but they also add a lot of weight. In recent years, lighter materials like carbon fiber have become popular. Carbon fiber is stronger and lighter than metal, but it costs more. Not everyone can afford these advanced materials, so many prostheses still use traditional metals. This means they stay heavier and bulkier. The structure of the prosthetic also matters. To support a person's weight and activity level, the device has to be sturdy. For heavier users or those who do intense activities, manufacturers choose stronger, thicker parts. These parts are often heavier and make the prosthetic look more substantial. Some systems even have weight limits. If a user exceeds those limits, the prosthetic might not be safe or work well. The socket, which connects the prosthetic to the residual limb, also adds weight. These sockets are made from rigid plastics or composite materials to keep the limb secure and comfortable. But these materials are dense and add to the overall weight. Advanced prosthetic devices with powered joints or neuroprosthetic features are even heavier. They include motors, batteries, and control systems that help mimic natural movement. For example, a powered knee joint needs a motor and a battery pack, which are heavier than simple mechanical joints. These extra parts make the prosthetic bulkier and heavier but give users better control and more natural motion. Weight distribution is another key factor. Designers try to spread the weight evenly to keep balance and reduce strain on the residual limb. Sometimes, this means adding more material in certain areas, which can make the device look and feel bulkier. In neuroprosthetics and advanced devices, electronics and wiring are added to connect brain signals to the limb. These systems improve control and sensory feedback but also add weight and size. Still, many users find the benefits outweigh the extra bulk because they get more natural movement and better control. Researchers are working on lighter materials, smarter designs, and modular systems that let users customize their prostheses. The goal is to make limbs that are lighter, less bulky, and more responsive. As technology advances, future prosthetic limbs will likely become easier to wear and more natural to use, helping people live more active lives.